There's a nice apartment. This is a nice apartment, Miss Garcia. Look, here's a floor plan. There's a living room, there's a kitchen, a bedroom, and a bathroom. Is there a balcony? Yes, there is. And a dining room? Is there a dining room? No, there isn't a dining room, but there is a dining area in the living room. Well, this is the kitchen. Oh, it's very small. Yes, it isn't very large, but there's a stove, a refrigerator, and a space for a dishwasher. There are some cabinets and there's a small shelf under the sink. Are there any windows in the bathroom? No, there aren't, but there are 2 large windows in the bedrooms. Good. It's a very nice apartment. Where is the bathroom? There's a sofa in the living room. There's a telephone on the coffee table. There are 4 chairs in the dining room. There's a rug in the living room. There's a coffee table in front of the sofa. There are some books on the shelf. There aren't any cups on the shelf. There are some glasses on the shelf. There are some CDs on the coffee table. There aren't any magazines on the coffee table. There are some video cassettes under the TV. Where are the CDs? They're on the table. Where's the rug? It's in the living room. Where's the television? It's in the living room. Where are the glasses? They're on the shelf. Where are the books? They're on the shelf. Where's the sofa? It's in the living room. What a nice apartment. The end.